Good day, everyone. We are looking at the gold USD 4-hour chart. Looking at the picture here, we can see clearly that this was the last horizontal resistance we had here. More like a double top chart pattern, which is a bearish reversal chart pattern. The price collapsed to this area. This was the last horizontal support. From here, the price peaked again to this level here, giving us another resistance level, another horizontal resistance. Came back here again, gave us another support. So we can see here was our lower high, here lower high, and this point was our higher low. So we had to connect these areas and this area. This gave us a symmetric triangle. We have a diagonal support here and a diagonal resistance here. For the diagonal support, we have these touches on the diagonal support here, 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 and here. For our diagonal resistance, we had this touch, and we're expecting another touch here. But looking closely now, we can see that instead of a touch, we have price breaking out of the diagonal resistance. So this is indicating that it's about time price start pushing back to the upside. And we're expecting price to push back up to this horizontal resistance level. So it's indicating that demand is coming into the market, because as you can see from the descending resistance, which is this trend line here, this descending resistance, we had 1 2 a double top here, we had a third touch. Then had it been price wanted to come lower now to about this area now, on this touch now, price would have dropped and gotten to this support line here and then broken out. But rather, price didn't even get to this support line here. Price didn't get to this support line again, but rather price is breaking out of the resistance, this descending resistance which we have here. Price is rather breaking out of this descending resistance which we have here. This price is already breaking out. So it's indicating that demand is coming into the market. The buyers are active. So now what do? We just open a long position from here, because we are expecting price now to get back to the resistance, since it didn't break below the diagonal support. So we are expecting price to go back up to the resistance level. Yes, we are expecting price to go back up to this zone, this resistance level. We are expecting price to come back to this zone, since it was not able to break below this support line here. So now we make the entry here where we have the price, place the stop loss just below this consolidation which we have here before the breakout. Then this is the breakout candle. This is the breakout candle, this bullish candle which we have here. Then we are making the entry here, stop below here, then we target this resistance zone. We target the resistance zone, which is a 1:3 raised to what? 1:3. Alright, let's see how it plays out. Thank you.